Alright guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're doing another wedding inspired video, and this is for if you're attending a wedding as a guest and how you can dance at one. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is be able to slow dance, and right now we're just going to do this with a partner, okay? So the first thing that we can do is just sway back and forth, just like you would, naturally to the music. We're just shifting from foot to foot, and you can hold each other in a dance position, or it could be just here. Or if you wanted to, you could do like the traditional, which I think isn't as nice as just a nice traditional dance hold where we're looking something like this and we're just swaying to the music, nice and easy. If you want to do one step up from this, we can do our foxy basic, which we'll go through right now. We're going to take 2 steps and then a sway sway. And we have a bunch of videos up on this, but we'll just kind of show you this one now. So if we back it up just a little bit, I'll talk about what I'm doing with my feet really quick. I'm going to take 2 steps back, right, left, sway to the side, right, left, and then we can repeat. And Chris, what are you doing?
Same thing in the opposite direction. So I'm going forward, left foot first, forward, right foot, and then to my left, sway, sway. Just those 4 steps.
So that's our foxy basic, and that goes well to most popular slow songs. And if you want to see more steps in this dance, be sure to check out all of our foxy content. I'm going to link that down below for you. So moving right along, the next slow dance style that we can do is called the rumba, and it's going to look something like this. So it's a little bit different. We're going to stay more on the spot, and we're just going to do our box step. And it's nice. It goes to slightly different songs. Sometimes they work hand in hand. So if you like one better than the other, you can always choose one. But let's just quickly go over this footwork for you. So as the follower, I'm going to go back on the right foot, side left, close and switch my weight, forward left, side right, close and switch, and repeat.
And my natural opposite is forward left foot first, side of my right foot, and I close the beat together. Back on my right foot, side left foot, my right foot closes to my left foot.
And those are our 2 slow dance styles. We're just going to dance them really quick to some music, and then we'll move on to the faster music. If you like those 2 slow dances, we also have a full slow dance course where we have your turns, we have basic steps, we have dips, all those things. So if you want to upgrade a little bit more, you can also check out that course. All right, now that we have our slow dances down, let's talk about if we have upbeat music. So one thing that we do a lot in our party dance course actually is when we do our step tap. So we're just going to step to the side, tap our feet together, and then the other way, tap. And repeat, and this is nice and easy. You can actually do this solo or very easily with a partner, and you're just gonna mirror each other. You can take it in a more casual hold, or if you wanted to, you can keep it in this position here and just dance, next to one another, tapping away. And if you want to step it up, we can do a dance style called the hustle, which is a very popular party dance. So what that's gonna look like in just like a basic timing, we're gonna go back, replace, step, step, back, replace, step, step, and we're both going away from each other, coming together and away and coming together. And this again goes with most fast music. So really quick, if we go over footwork here, I'm gonna go back on the right, forward left, then come together right and left, and then repeat. That's it.
I'm going back on my left foot first, a rock step, and then forward right foot, and left foot together, right foot together.
So that is our hustle basic. Another nice option for you is called the merengue, and this one is our easiest dance, and you're literally just gonna be marching in on the spot in place. So you're just walking underneath yourself. You can see Chris is adding a little bit of hips, which is fine if you want to. If not, you can just naturally step underneath yourself, and you can rotate it in a little circle, and just keep switching your feet. That's the biggest thing here, and there's lots of easy things you can do from this dance as well. All right, so typically the lady's gonna start with the follower's gonna start with the right foot. Leader's gonna start with the left foot for most of these just to make it work as a partnership, but really whatever goes, and as long as you're on the opposite foot, you're gonna be good. So that being said, If you liked the hustle and the merengue, you can also find, we have a bunch of syllabus patterns for those both dances up on our website and on YouTube, so you can check those out too. We're gonna dance them really quick for music for you, and then we'll see you right back. If you like these faster dances, we go over a lot of different steps and some like party tricks, so more exciting things with a partner, and you can check that out at our party tricks course, which we're gonna link down below. So those are all the things we have covered for fast music, slow music with a partner, and then we're also gonna create some content for you that's gonna be some solo stuff at a party, but we'll do more fast music, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out the rest of our videos. Comment down below what your favorite part was, and be sure to check out our full slow dance course and our party tricks course to check out all of those extra things that we didn't do today exactly, so you can be fully prepared to dance at a wedding, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.